In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Notion with Chatgpt. To get started, open Notion in your browser and go to the Notion Getting Started page. This is simply a convenient place to begin, because it puts you inside your Notion workspace, where you can access the settings you need. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Notion account before you continue, especially if you use more than one workspace. Next, look to the left sidebar and select your workspace space. This is the main area where your pages and settings live. Clicking into the workspace space makes sure the options you open next apply to the right Notion environment. Once you are inside the workspace, find and click Settings. This is where Notion keeps configuration options for your account and workspace, including integrations and connected services. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct settings area, because Notion can show slightly different menus depending on your permissions and workspace type. Inside Settings, locate and click Notion MCP. This section is where you manage the connection path that allows external tools like Chatgpt to link with Notion. If you do not see Notion MCP right away, look carefully through the settings list and click the item that matches that name. After you open Notion MCP, click the highlighted option shown in the interface. This selection is important because it brings you to the specific connection setup area that Chatgpt uses. Move slowly here and click exactly where the interface indicates, since this is the point where you transition from Notion settings into the connector flow. Now switch over to Chatgpt in your browser, in the connector settings area, and click Connect. This begins the authorization process between Chatgpt and Notion. Follow the on-screen prompts to approve access as needed, and keep the permissions aligned with what you actually want Chatgpt to use in Notion. Once the connection finishes, you should see that Notion is linked in your connectors list, and you are ready to use Chatgpt with your Notion content based on the access you granted. And that is all there is to it.